10 surprising health benefits of hibiscus tea. Discover the power of this amazing drink. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing the amazing health benefits of hibiscus tea. From its high levels of antioxidants to its ability to lower blood pressure and promote weight loss, hibiscus tea is a powerful and natural way to improve your overall health. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 scientifically backed reasons why you should add hibiscus tea to your daily routine. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Researchers have found many health benefits of drinking hibiscus tea, including 1. High levels of antioxidants. Hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants, which are molecules that help protect against cell damage caused by free radicals. Some studies have found that hibiscus extract can increase the number of antioxidant enzymes and reduce the harmful effects of free radicals by up to 92%. 2. Lowering blood pressure. One of the most well-known benefits of hibiscus tea is its ability to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure can put extra strain on the heart and is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Observational studies have found that hibiscus tea can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. 3. Reducing blood fat levels. Some studies have found that hibiscus tea may help reduce blood fat levels, which is another risk factor for heart disease. For example, one observational study found that people with diabetes who drank hibiscus tea had increased levels of good HDL cholesterol and decreased levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. 4. Boosting liver health. Hibiscus tea may help promote liver health and keep it functioning efficiently. For instance, a study of overweight people found that drinking hibiscus tea for 12 weeks improved liver steatosis, a condition characterized by the accumulation of fat in the liver which can lead to liver failure. Hibiscus extract has liver-protecting properties that can help decrease markers of liver damage. 5. Promoting weight loss. Many studies suggest that hibiscus tea may be linked to weight loss and the prevention of obesity. For example, hibiscus extract has been found to reduce body weight, body fat, body mass index, and hip-to-waist ratio in some studies. 6. Hibiscus tea may help provide relief from menstrual pain and is a natural alternative to taking medication. The proteins and carbohydrates in hibiscus tea may work to soothe the sensitive area during the menstrual cycle and help reduce the production of cells that contribute to pain. Therefore, drinking hibiscus tea may be a good option for controlling menstrual pain. 7. Anti-inflammatory effects. Hibiscus tea have anti-inflammatory effects, which means it can be helpful for reducing inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for people with inflammatory conditions like sore throat. 8. Antibacterial properties. Some studies have found that hibiscus tea have antibacterial properties, which means it may be able to help fight infections. 9. Improving digestion. Hibiscus tea may be able to improve digestion and relieve constipation. 10. Mild sedative effects. Some people find that hibiscus tea has mild sedative effects, which may help with sleep. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible health benefits of hibiscus tea. From its high levels of antioxidants to its ability to lower blood pressure and promote weight loss, this amazing herbal drink is a natural way to improve your overall health. If you're not already incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine, we highly recommend giving it a try. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement or drink to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.